Hi, in this video I'm going to be trying to work on Fiverr for 7 days using the free online editing software called Canva and make some logo designs. So now I need to create an account to get started, and after that I will create my gigs and hopefully make some orders in 7 days. So I've created my account, it's all set up, and now I need to create my gig and show the buyers what I can do so they can buy my gig, which I will be showing you this step in fast forward. And I also need to create some logo designs to add on my portfolio to show the buyers what I can do, what they will get, an idea about what they can get, what they will get. Let's do that. 20 minutes later, my gig is ready, and now all I have to do is to make some logo designs so I can add them on my portfolio, which I will show you that in fast forward again. Well, I created my logo designs, my gig is ready, everything is perfecto, except me, which I'm tired and I was about to go to bed and get my beauty sleep. So tomorrow I will check my gig again and see if there is any orders, which I don't think that I will get any order just in one day, but you never know. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Well, good morning guys. Sorry if the audio sucks, but now I'm gonna go and check if there's any difference, if I got any order. I don't think that there will be any orders, but let's go to the computer. You know, something like... Well, guess what? There was nothing. I mean, I'm not surprised. It's the second day that I started. I don't have any reviews, so it's normal. But now I'm gonna go and make some more logo designs so I can add them on my portfolio and give the buyers, the potential buyers, a more general idea of what I can do. Or at least I'm gonna do something, because I don't know what to do right now. So I will check with you later. Hey. So it's been like 4 hours and nothing happened since I closed the camera. But I can show you my new logo designs. So those are the new ones, and hold on, and those are the old ones that I made yesterday. What you think? Don't you think that I'm a creative genius? By the way, I haven't shown you my gig, so in case you want to see it, let's check it out. ASM. So this is my gig, like... There is a description, there is my about section. Hi, my name is Arda and I'm a professional graphic designer with an experience of 5+ years, which I'm not lying. I worked as graphic designer on... yeah. And here's the packages: the basic package, standard package and premium package. And I added some frequently asked questions about what do I need to get started, what is the importance of vector files, which I provide, and stuff. Yeah, I know. That's it. So now I don't think that I have anything else to do, so I'm gonna wait, and if there is anything new I will let you know. So today is day 3 and yesterday nothing new happened, and I don't want to just wait like that, so I thought that I can promote my gig on internet, on Facebook groups, like on Discord groups, and increase my chances of getting an order, which I will, because I'm a marketing genius and no one can resist me. And if I'm not wrong, I think I heard that on a video, if people add my gig on their favorite, Fiverr likes that and it's more likely to promote my gig. Even more, I mean. So let's go find some groups. Welcome back. So yesterday and also this morning, all I did was to promote my gig on Discord groups and on Facebook groups, and now we'll see if that's worth it. I mean, if I got any order or any clicks at least. Please. Damn it, still nothing. Being a freelancer is hard. It's like a paradox or an endless loop. I mean, look, to make money as a freelancer you need to get orders, but to get orders you need reviews and have work done so the buyer can trust you. But to have works done and get reviews you need orders. But again, to have orders you need reviews and work done. And to work done, you got the point. What am I gonna do? I guess more promoting and more hoping to get an order. So, I just came from the beach and I'm salty and I was just about to go and take a shower, but now let's take a quick check-in. I will let you guess what happened. What do you think happened? Nothing. By the way, I realized something when I was editing this video. I sometimes wear the same t-shirt in a row for 2 days. This is a new one. I mean, when I don't go outside, I can wear the same t-shirt for 2 days, 3 days. It's okay, it's clean, I mean. But today I was feeling fit. I told myself I need to go outside. And I went to the beach with my friends, and now I'm gonna go and take a shower. The big moment has come. By the way, before you ask me why I haven't recorded the day 6, it's because there was nothing to show and I was sick a bit, which I'm still, as you can hear from my voice. So now I'm gonna talk about everything, the progress, what happened, the results, and what I personally think. So I wanna start with what happened, everything. So you saw everything that happened. I mean, I created my account, my gigs, the promoting parts and everything, and I didn't get any order, which that's the bad part. But I think freelancing is a good way of making money. I mean, you don't have to go to work like from 9 to 5, or you don't have a specific hour to week, or you don't have a specific hour to be somewhere, or there is not a boss like yelling at you to do stuff. You're free, which I think that I can do freelancing, not full time, but some days, when someone buys my gig, I can create more gigs. Freelancing is good. On Fiverr, there's also something called seller level, which that shows how good that seller is, how many orders he got, which if you are a level 2 seller, that means that you have earned more than $2,000, you have completed at least 50 orders, maintain a 4.7 star rating over 60 days. So that's a reason for the buyer to buy from that seller. I mean, he can see that he's a level 2 seller, and that means that he's good at it. At whatever he's doing, which when I create a new account, it's just a new seller without any level, and that's not good. I mean, the buyer doesn't buy from me. And those YouTubers that make the same videos, I mean, there are multiple videos on YouTube. I tried Fiverr for 7 days, and that's what I personally think, that most of them is lucky, or I don't know, I'm not sure, and I don't want to get any hate here. I'm just gonna say what I think and what it's possible. They might tell one of their friends to buy their gig, and they can show that as something on their video, just not be as mine. I mean, like opening the camera every day and saying that nothing new happened. Instead, they are telling to their friends so they can have something to talk about on their video and make the video more entertaining. But I didn't do that. I just wanted to show you the truth and the facts, and the reality hurts. I mean, I didn't get any order. I could have told my friend to buy my gig, and I could show that as like I got order, oh yeah, I have to make the design, but I didn't. But of course they might be lucky. I mean, somehow you need to start on Fiverr and buyer, and that means that someone's gonna buy from you, and that's completely luck, I guess. Or you have to do something unique. You need to be the only one, or you need to be lucky. By the way, I want to show you about Canva, about how I do that. And no, it's not sponsored. I wish it was, but it's not. I just want to show you how to make a design on Canva, and in case you want to try this yourself, like selling stuff on Fiverr using Canva. So if you want to try Canva Pro, which if you're gonna do something on Fiverr, you need Canva Pro, because if you don't have Canva Pro, the resolution of making a logo design, for example, is you can go up to 500 to 500, which is not that good, and you can provide a vector file. So if you want to try Canva Pro for 30 days, my link, my affiliate link, my referral link is in the description. You can go from that and support the channel and me. So when you come to Canva, there's not only logo designs, you can do Instagram posts, posters, infographic, cards, Instagram stories, and multiple stuff here. I want to show you again a logo. When you click on logo, you came to this page, and from here you can choose a template, elements, you can upload your own files, you can add text and more stuff like photo styles, audio, which you're not gonna need that if you're making a logo design. That's more like animation stuff. So the templates, it's a good idea. It gives you an idea, inspiration, and it's a start point about how you can make your logo. For example, this logo, you can choose that template and change it and make different stuff and add stuff. That's up to you and your creativity. And when you make your design, you just click download, and from here you choose the size, which if you don't have Canva Pro, you can make up to 500 to 500 px pixels. But if you have Canva Pro, you can go up to 1500 and you can choose SVG. I don't know how to pronounce that, I guess SVG, which is a vector file. And you can choose transparent background and compressed file for lower quality, but I don't think that I need that. You might need, I don't know. And that's it. So that was it for this video. I tried Fiverr for 7 days using Canva and I got nothing. I didn't get any order. Here's another challenge that I try stuff for 7 days or for 48 hours. So if you want to watch this video, you can watch it after this one. So I guess see you over there. Bye bye.